how to open GitHub repository in Unity. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just choose our game right here that we want to download from GitHub. So for example, I'll be choosing this game right here. And then after that, what you want to do from here is just click on code. And then here, what you want to do is to just simply click on download zip. And then after that, just wait for the download to finish. And then once it's done downloading, just open up your file explorer, go to your downloads, and then just simply extract that zip file. So just right click on it, click on extract all, click on extract, and after that, just wait for the extraction to finish. And there you go. So once it's done, you can now open up Unity. And then once you're in Unity, what you want to do is go to projects right here, click on add, click from add project from disk. And after that, just look for the location and where you save that extracted folder. So mine is in my downloads. So it's this folder right here. So I'll just double click on this. And then after that, I'll just select on this folder, click on add project, and then there you go, the project has now been added. Next is to open it up, just simply click on it, there you go. And after that, Unity will now start to open, so just wait for this to finish loading. And then there you go, so once it's done, we will now be redirected here in the editor for Unity. So yeah, so for example, when I click on the scene right here, when I click on stage 1, and then when I click on open right here on the top right, as you can see that it will now load the game. So yeah, and then from here, you can now start editing the details of that game. So yeah, and after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open a GitHub repository in Unity.